In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your voice and audio settings in your centralized Waze user settings portal. To get started, open Google Chrome and head to your centralized Waze user settings portal. Once you arrive, log into your account and make sure you're fully signed in before moving on. This is important because your sound preferences need to be connected to your profile in order to save correctly and sync the way you want them to. After you've logged in, look for the sound and audio settings link. Depending on how your portal is arranged, this may appear in a settings menu, a sidebar, or within your main account preferences. Go ahead and click on that link to open the section where your voice guidance and audio theme options are stored. Once you're inside the sound and audio area, take a moment to browse through the available voice prompt packages and audio themes. This is the section where you can review the different sound options connected to your navigation experience. You may see a variety of speaker styles, language choices, or different voice personalities depending on what is available in your portal. It's a good idea to move through these carefully so you can choose the option that best matches your listening preference and driving experience. As you review the list, focus on selecting the language speaker or voice choice you prefer. This is the setting that determines how navigation prompts will sound when they're delivered to you. If you use Waze regularly, choosing a voice that is easy for you to understand can make directions feel much clearer and more comfortable during everyday use. When you find the voice option you want, select it so it can sync to your profile. This step updates your account preference, which helps ensure that your chosen sound setting is attached to your user profile rather than being a temporary change. Once selected, give the system a moment if needed to apply the update. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your Waze user settings portal, opened the sound and audio settings, reviewed the available voice prompt packages and audio themes, and selected the voice or language option you want synced to your profile. If you're following along while updating your own settings, just take your time in the audio section and choose the option that feels most natural for you. A clear voice setting can make a surprisingly big difference in your overall navigation experience.